In this video today, I'm going to show you how the lock-in mechanism works on the nozzle of the Makita cordless blower DUB184Z. So you might see these things here that look like bayonet fittings. On this front part here, we can actually have two different heights. So right now, this is at the extended height, but if we were to bring it along this way, and then we can move down to that one there, you can see now the height has reduced. So if you have a look, there's an arrow here and an arrow here, and then we have like a line going down here. So to undo it completely, we're going to put that arrow to where the line is, so bring it away from the arrow. The arrow is when it's in the locked position, arrow to arrow. So we're going to put that arrow there to the line, and then that will allow us to take it off completely. And you can see now that we have a line here and a line here. So if we wanted to put it onto this setting here, we just go up to the line and then turn, and it will lock that into position. Same one with this one here. Arrow to arrow means it's locked. To undo it, we're going to move the arrow to the line, which so happens to be on the seam here. So we're going to move it to here, and then that will allow us to pull it off like so. So you can see how it works. We've got this little spigot sticking out here. It goes in here and ends up in this position. So we go in and lock, and then with this one, different heights and lock or take off completely. So that's it. That's how to extend and lock in the nozzle on the Makita cordless blower. Thanks for watching.